In the end, I think there should be an exit and our trades should close. The trades are not open at the same level. That doesn't make one trade is into plus, exactly with minus, but that's okay. It happens. We should have opened the trade on time. But let's not get upset and continue our trade. Let's change the currency pair and continue our analysis. So there should be a very good trade move here. Let's point the end of the candle and open two buy trades. Let's highlight this area as stochastic. We understand that the potential reversal is happening. The trade is open ahead of schedule. The upward trend has worked out the support area, and I think the movement should go up after a long and strong correction of this kind. A price rebound should. That is why the trade is open for an increase. And you see a very strong volatile movement. Very strong volatility of candles in the last second. I think an exit should occur and up. Trade should close in plus. There are literally 15 seconds left until the end. While the movement completely suits me, we see that an exit has already occurred. Another positively closed place. As I told you, a very strong support area worked for us. You saw the strongest exit yourself. The balance is already $4,394. A good result. And in order to consolidate it, I think it is worth opening the last trades for the entire amount. And actually, let's get started. Let's continue our analysis. And I think it's worth opening for sell trades here. We select the working area. We understand that the trend is now quite strongly downward, and we will specifically select this area, which is why I decided to open a sell trade. This support area has worked the strongest correction to the downside. We can also select the resistance area. If you look at stochastic, this is the peak point in recent times. I think a rebound should also occur, so we open a sell trade. The movement suits me. Yes, friends, trades are closed in profit, and our balance is $7,834. This amount already suits me. I hope you understand the principle of this strategy and these indicators. Everything is simple. First of all, focus on stochastic. Pay attention to the overbought and oversold zones, and also we show from them. And of course, don't forget about the partner channel. Let's make a withdrawal. We can withdraw $7,800 to the wallet. The withdrawal is in progress. I will attach a screenshot of the successful operation. Thanks for watching. I hope the material in this video helped. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and see you soon. Hello everyone! So friends, today we will try another strategy to accelerate our deposit from $381 to a multiple amount. You ask me, is it possible for us? So, let's see it today. But you can be sure that it will be interesting strategy for us. So, let's get started. We have $381 on our balance. I plan to multiply this deposit several times. So watch this video to the end to see this result. Let's set the maximum trade opening amount right away. We will open trades for the maximum deposit. All currency pairs are selected. Let's set up our indicators. We will need the oscillator indicator. And we also set the RSI period value to 100. And then we will analyze which trends are dominant. Based on this, we will start from how we will open trades for increase or decrease based on the general trend. This is a small life hack for you to quickly determine the trend. We have a predominantly downward trend. So we will remove all the upward trends and leave only the downward ones. This amount will be enough for us. We will choose a good percentage for each of the currency pairs. We will change the overbought and oversold zones. But first, let's choose another indicator. This is a fractal indicator. We will determine the maximum and minimum points and also navigate by them. And let's set up our RSI. Period 14, set the overbought zone to 5 and set the oversold zone to 20. These settings look good during downward movements. For convenience, let's remove the 50 area so it doesn't distract us, and let's start our trading session. We will open trades for 1 minute and select suitable currency pairs for the most profitable entry into the trade. Let's open a trade for a call here. We select the working area. In this area, we see a downward trend. Here, the support area worked, the movement went up. A good correction at this stage. After that, I think our trade should go down. We open a trade for a call, a trade for a sale. Also, on the RSI, we have 2 times attached to the 55 area. There are 10 seconds left until the end of the trade. The movement is far from the trade of level. The first trade is closed in profit. The balance is already $716. Super. As you already understood, today we will open in the direction of the trend. Let me remind you once again that opening a trade in the direction of the trend increases the accuracy of your signal. Never forget about it. Let's change the currency pair for a profitable trade. We see that we have a peak value of RSI now. A reversal is happening. The support area has worked out. There was no exit for me, but there was an upward correction. That is why a trade should be opened from this level to the downside. There are 15 seconds left until the trade is closed. Don't worry, volatility is not slow. The second trade is closed again in profit. The balance is $1,346. We set the maximum value of the trade, $1,000. You see how we literally achieved such a result in 2 minutes with 4 pre-selected indicator settings. First of all, settings that are convenient for you. Let's change the currency pair for the most profitable entry into the trade. We will try to select the maximum percentage. Here, the trade opening should also be for a call, for a sale. There is a downward trend here. The support area has worked out and a correction has occurred. I think the movement will go down and our trade is open for it. I think that in the last seconds, the downward movement should prevail and our trade will close in profit. Yes, our third trade is closed in profit. Let's not stop there. Today is a good trend. There are systematic rollbacks, but everything is quite predictable. Let's continue our analysis and find the next currency pair. Let's open the next trade for a call. Select the working area. Note that the RSI has a very strong downward movement. In this area, this is the maximum point on it. I think there will be no breakthrough. We have processed the support area and a small correction, which will entail a downward movement. Here, we have a small accumulation zone after which a decrease may occur. As you can see, this has already happened. There are literally 15 seconds left. I'm completely satisfied with this movement, and the next trade is closed in profit. Yes, our trades are closed in profit, and the balance is already $4,000. It happened literally in 5 minutes. Let's choose the next currency pair. The trade will be opened according to the trend. We will select the most suitable percentage. Make a more detailed analysis. Here, we see the peak point of the RSI. Our trend is downward. Let's open a trade for a decrease. Let's highlight the working area. Here, we see our local high. the accumulation area from which the exit occurs. The support area also worked out and the movement went up. We also have a resistance area here, after which the movement should go down. Therefore, trades are open for a decrease. Literally, second we made, and congratulations! We have $6,666 on the balance. A rather symbolic amount, friends. To consolidate the result, I will open 6 more trades for $1,000 each. Let's move on to analytics again. We are observing a downward trend. We have worked out the support area here. A small correction has occurred. You can observe the system in this area. We see 3 rollbacks and the final rollback, after which the movement should go down. The downward trend is maintained. There are literally 5 seconds left until the end of the trade, and these trades are closed in profit. We have $11,926 on our balance. This is a super result. Let's withdraw funds to our wallet. Let's withdraw $11,500 to the Bitcoin wallet. Our operation has started. I will attach a screenshot with the result. I think you understand how this strategy works. First, you need to analyze the market. Remember the life hack I told you. This can be done using RSI, then set the necessary settings. You can use mine. I recommend it to everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you soon. This strategy can increase your $3 into $6,000 if you follow the instructions. Now, I just want to show you how it works, and I'll try to increase my deposit from only $3. Here, you can see a review from my subscriber who already made profit using this strategy. My followers started from only $15 and increased capital to $15,000. So, I don't know if it really works or maybe it's just a lucky trading session, but we can see it right now. So, for this strategy, we will need only 1 or better 2 indicators. As you can see, there is only 1 indicator on my switch. We will accelerate today. Let's now move on to searching for a currency pair, and I will tell you the signal there. So, let's see now. By the way, I added the moving average for the full list. So, as we can see on this currency pair, I will now open for a decrease really quickly to have time for everything. As I noticed, the last we had a small peak, which the price had already reached. That is, we have 2 peaks formed at approximately the same level. And right now, our price seems to show that it will now go down. Well, and also the moving average, as you can see, used to go up very quickly. But it was on this candle that it started to decline lower and lower. Let's wait for this trade to close now. In principle, the trade closes quite confidently. Our entry point is the trade closed $5.76 on our balance. If that this strategy works, we will increase this deposit to $6,000. Now we will move on to finding a new currency pair. So let's see what we have here that is interesting. As you can see, our zigzags stopped at the previous candle. That is, it ended there. And right now, we have started a downward movement. That is, a movement that goes down. This means that in the next couple of candles, our zigzag will grow another broken line, but in the opposite direction. That is, our price has just moving average showed us this. It is starting to move lower and lower. Well, let's now wait for this trade to close.